Annyeong everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm here in South Korea. I'm going to be featuring the latest Sonata model of Hyundai. Yes, this is something that we'll never see in our soil because the last Sonata, if I remember right, is the YF Sonata, which looked fantastic, and up to now it still looks so good. But look at this one. This one is another level. So the front grille, it's the newly changed front grille of Hyundai that you can find in like Tucson or in Santa Fe, something like that. So let's check it out. All these black gloss materials are called in Korea as high gloss finish. So when you see them black and they're glossy, you know they're high gloss finish. Let's start from the headlight, which is so obvious. Just look at this gradient and this line here. It goes all the way there. So we have seen something like this in other Hyundai cars, but they did it so well. And these clusters, they also like remind me of cars from Honda. Honda, like in Accord and in Civic, they did it in shorter clusters, but this one are like huge clusters. Active air vents, see that? That is fantastic to see in this kind of car. Front sensors also on the side, so total of 6. This must have park assist feature. Now a 1.6 liter turbo engine for this big size. It's like a 4-door sedan, but this is not a compact. This is like a normal sedan. So I don't know how it is going to propel this car to its full potential. Here on the side, the sensor for the parking, Kumho tires. Now this has a two-tone alloy wheel design with ventilated disc braking system. The tire size 215/55 R17s. Now, personally, I will like it better in 19s, maybe even 20s, because the car's design is awesome. All this line goes all the way to the back until the C-pillar. That is crazy. See, these black materials are what? High gloss materials. Now, around the windows are silver brushed aluminum finish. What is this? Black gloss or high gloss. Now, I got surprised when I saw this in this Hyundai because you would see this in cars like Mercedes-Benz, and it just means that it has the convenient entry package, something like that. If you don't have this, like you have a Mercedes-Benz without that package, so you really need to use the button for the remote, but this one doesn't. And mind you that this car also has a nice key fob that you can also control your car to come out from the parking space without you having to go inside. So that is a fantastic feature that you can find in Hyundai and also in Genesis. So yeah, that's the side. Let's go to the back. Look at this line here. All these lines here, like unless you get into an accident, it just looks so beautiful. And all these fins here, now they are not just for design, it will help aerodynamics. The camera is just boom. It's like as awkward as, you know, looking at the keyhole of a Ferrari, but it's just there. It is a camera, it is what it is. Just make sure it gets cleaned all the time. Very nice rear combination light system. Now, for this kind of nice looking car, I would like these lights to be changed to LEDs. Rear diffuser, reverse lamps, the exhaust pipes, yes, these are not fake, but they are just on the right side, so it does look very sporty. It would look much better if we had even a fake exhaust piping there, but well, sometimes it just makes everyone complain, so that's a good move by Hyundai. Let's go inside and let's check out what it has to offer. Let's go inside. The door feels heavy. Yep, definitely feels premium. Are plastic memory seats, 2 of them with a speaker here. Wow, soft plastic, very very soft plastic. These are in leather with stitching. Also here, the entire thing is in leather with stitching as well. What a beautiful, beautiful car. Fully automatic. For the front row, powered, side mirror adjustment, power folding, the speaker, Sonata step seal, powered seats with airbag, with nice leather and lumbar support as well. The steering wheel is adjusted manually. Oh, the e-brake, e-parking is here on the left, engine on and off, lane keep assist, trunk button, and traction on and off. Now what I can see surely is that this car has ambient lights. Just look at that. I'm not sure if we can change the colors, but I'm thinking we can. Wow. So it feels very different when you close the door, because normally like you would put your hand this much, but this one you really need to go that way. So it must be really comfortable driving like that. This is the dashboard area with paddle shifters, audio control with voice command, steering wheel adjust, adaptive cruise control, glossy. Now these are the new designs of the stocks of Hyundai, which you can also find in Genesis. Now this is not really my thing, this like jewel like design. Please do let me know in the comment section below. This trim right here, it's not the highest trim. It does come with analog type of speedometer and tachometer with the screen in the middle. However, you do get a 10.25 inch infotainment with physical volume dial. Oh, the design of the air vents are fantastic with this chrome materials. Oh, now, what can you say about this design? I think Hyundai Sonata did so well on the outside, but something went wrong here. Dual control, dual climate zone control. Somewhat, it looks like a radio, you know. I don't know. Please do let me know in the comment section below. Steering wheel heat and push start button. Wireless charge pad, USB ports, 12 volt. Button type of gear shifter. Yes, that's where Hyundai is going towards. Parking sensor, parking camera, drive modes, brake hold, and this is a park assist. Cup holders, big compartment. Also a nice sized compartment. Auto dimming room mirror, LED map lights, SOS button, and all those. Now, will this expand? Oh yeah, I like this. I like having all this sun visors expanding. Now I like this material. Oh, the headliner is super soft like memory foam. That is amazing. And you do have this walk-in feature, so look at this. Yep, you can control the passenger seat anytime you want to. Oh, you can even make it lie down. That is fantastic. Wow. Now let's go to the back and check out the amenities. Now I also don't like this design, but it is a nice leather, good grip, but not so of my style. The second row, let's see the amenities. Nice brushed aluminum trim. Door cards are in leather. This is also very wide. Compartment. Now it is a bit difficult for you to store bottles here because of this design. The seats are in nice leather. Now this area, I don't know, it's gonna be very soft for your butt line. Also here for your lumbar. 3 headrests. It does come with 2 cup holders, and you do have air vents, USB port for your charging, cabin light. There you go. Look at this material, looks and feels premium. A window here in the C-pillar. Now this area, it's not flat, it is inclining. So if you put something here, there's a big chance it's gonna roll over to the front. So please do mind that. This is what you will see from the second row. I just found out the shark fin antenna is also in what? High gloss material. And just look how the lights are designed like a canopy and like a ducktail. So let's try to open this. Don't know if there's a button for this. Not so sure. Let's just open it first here. Oh. So it does come equipped with a manual type of tail lift system, but I really don't know how I can open this because there is no button here. Here, let's see what we can find. No spare wheel, but a tire repair kit. Huge space for your trunk. It's like an E-Class or a C-Class, but it is bigger than a C-Class, but you do have something like this. Now, the more and more I look at this car, it kinda benchmarked a lot from Mercedes-Benz. So when you pull this, you can pull down the seat for more compartment. What a nice Korean vehicle that has a lot of Euro bits here and there. Now let's check out the engine bay of this 1.6 liter turbo engine. Comes with hydraulic struts, turbo GDI engine, 1.6 liter, guys. I wish it had a 2.0 liter at least, so that this huge car can propel itself for its maximum performance. Some padding, engine bay, you can drop it. So that's the Sonata. Now there are lots of trims above it, so the price can just go from here to there. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and also check out the dealership where I am right now. Their details are in the description section below. May your dreams come true, everyone. Bye.